of us have seen a lot of ways to make money online, and we've tried majority of them, and most of the time it doesn't work out. Either when we start it, we get frustrated in the middle of it and we quit, or when we try it, we'll see one clause that is as if this is not going to work out for me, or we find out that this thing doesn't work for my country. Now, in this video, I'm going to share one very secret that people don't really talk about when it comes to making money online, especially now in 2026. And if you have this, I'm sure it's going to help you and going to change your mindset when it comes to making money online. Hi, my name is Isabella and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do well to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So, what I want to talk about today is the secret behind making money online. So the first thing I want to talk about is the fact that many people emphasize on the picture of the amount that you're going to earn, and we as humans, we get excited and we don't look at the possibility or the difficulties that comes with it, and we all that's in our head is, okay, I want to make this money fast, and they paint this picture in our head that we can make this money within hours, which gets us so excited. And by the time you go further to do your research or try to get into it, you get frustrated in the process and you realize that it's harder than you think. It's not as easy as it was painted to you. So now what I want to say is, if you want to make money online, especially now in 2026, you need to pick one thing and have it at the back of your mind that nothing good comes easy. Anything that talks about quick money, just know that it's a scam and it's not true at all. So once you have that at the back of your mind, it makes it easier for you to focus on one thing and put your mind to it. Now, there are several ways to make money online, and I will not dispute the fact that there are legit ways. There are legit ways. The only way you can make money fast is if you want to scam people, and we don't do that here, right? And that one too, it doesn't mean that it's as easy as it looks too. Everything has to do with hard work and dedicating your time to it and consistency. So as I was saying, so if you want to actually succeed when it comes to making money online, you need to pick one thing, focus on it, put your all, know it in and out, and give it time. And you see yourself succeeding in it, becoming a professional. If it is content creation you want to go into, focus on that. And just have it at the back of your mind that the end result is for you to make money. But you need to focus on the process, enjoy the process of making this money. If it is survey that you're doing to make money, we all know that surveys, maybe for you to do one survey that will take you like 3 hours, the pay can be like $0.2 or $0.02. So which means before you even get $1, it takes like, sometimes depends on the kind of survey you're doing. Now it can even take you like up to 24 hours to get $1. So imagine that. That's to tell you that nothing good or legit comes very easily. So the picture that we all get in our head is that when you do this, just go apply, you start making money like that. So, but what I'm trying to say today is the secret to actually make this money that people talk about, it's not like there's no money, there is money. You just have to focus on one thing, pick one thing, focus on it, be diligent in it, and at the end of the day, you see yourself winning. This also applies to remote work. Remote work is also an online way to make money, right? So that's you working with companies abroad and earning in dollars, but you're doing it from your house. Now, before you land your first job, most of the time, 95% of the time, it's always very difficult to land that first job. It's always very difficult. But one thing I always say is the people that stayed till the end, those are the people that win. Most people, by the time they stay like 1 month, 2 months, they're not seeing any job. They give up. They stop applying. They stop reaching out. they just relax and they relax, and at the end of the day, nothing nothing to show for it. Some of them have even spent money to do all these courses online, and when they now got to the part where they had to get a job, they give up because the job is not coming as fast as it is. We are human, so it's normal, it's natural to feel that way. But then you have to remind yourself that okay, you have to wait, keep applying because it's hard work. Nothing good comes easy. But just know that at the end of the day, it's always going to be worth it. So imagine someone that waited more than you and finally got a job, and that job now opened the door for other jobs for him or her. So now that person have like 4 clients and is earning close to $2,500 in a month. And you now start envying that person. You don't know the kind of sacrifice that person did behind. So that's what I just want to talk about. Let us focus on the process and just pick one thing, focus on it, and we'll see ourselves winning. Just don't give up because this money we're gonna make it. So I'll see you guys on my next video, and that's what I want to share with you today. If you found this very, very interesting and encouraging, please do well to share this video to someone who needs it. Bye.